What's going on, you guys? If you're new to this channel, my name is Kostas. I am actually the owner and head chef of Opa Greek Tavern, located in Rowlett, Texas, a little subdivision of Dallas. If you haven't stopped by the restaurant, check it out. We're going to take you on a roller coaster ride into the restaurant world. We're going to cover kitchen equipment, kitchen recipes, craft beer, and also really cool, fun, exciting events that are taking place around the Dallas Metroplex. Again, if it's your first time here to this channel, smash that subscribe button, as all the other YouTubers say, and leave a comment below. Enjoy, guys. Did I ever say subscribe to our channel yet? We are headed to the Margarita Meltdown in downtown Dallas. Make sure that you check out this awesome video we're gonna make. You're gonna love it.
Pick up the dice, give it a roll. You never really know which way to go. Feel it inside, feel the spark. Lift you up when you're falling apart. We think we know it all. We stand
We're at Scardello's in downtown Dallas at the farmer's market. I got the French butter ham sandwich. What'd you get?
Okay, if you want that, I mean, there's like iced latte with espresso.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream.
So I'm starting off in that YouTube live with a $3,000 camera. I'm sure this is like $30,000 or something like that. I can only imagine with all this.
$50-some thousand.
Yeah, wow.
You can call me stupid, yes, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy, you can say I'm weak. You think that using her would get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble deep. Cause I won't break, no I know I won't wait. You're in trouble deep.
I'm just trying to figure out where the car's at. Am I getting close?